Well, good morning. Today we're going to do another word problem. So let's take a look and see what we have and let's solve it together. Mrs. Hess had 4 dogs. Mrs. Smith had 5 dogs. How many did they have all together? So we're going to use our PEAL method. Picture, equation, answer, label. So let's start with P for picture. So if you remember, I've told you before, don't worry about drawing the exact thing in our word problem. You can draw a circle and that works just as well. So let's start with Mrs. Hess had 4 dogs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Mrs. Smith had 5 dogs. How many did they have all together? So remember, when it asks you how many all together, that's a clue that tells us it's an adding problem. So we're going to add the 5 dogs that Mrs. Smith had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So picture is done. The next thing we're going to do is the equation. So we have 4 plus 5 equals blank. There's our equation. Next is our answer. So we can solve this in 2 different ways. One, you might be able to solve this right in your head. Or 2, you could count up the number of circles to get your answer. So let's try it here. 4 plus 5 equals blank. So remember, we want to start with that big number in our head and add on the small number. So I have my 4 fingers. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to put my answer. But let's check just to make sure I got the right answer. Let's count those circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got it. All right, there's our answer. And the last part was L for label. So what did they have 9 of? Let's go back and look. They had 9 dogs. And I can make sure to spell it correctly because it's right there. D-O-G-S. 9 dogs all together. Thanks for coming. See you again soon.